How to search and replace in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for different words and replace them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now, select Edit. Here on the bottom, there's an option called Find and Replace button. So simply tap on Find. So this is the place where you can find the word that you are searching for. So I'm searching for a word. So here I'm writing one. So as you can see, it has shown me which are the suggestions here. So these are the words that are available in my code. Now in order to replace it, here on the replace box, simply enter another word. So after doing that, you can simply hit enter and the change is done. So the word has been replaced and everything will be changed in the code too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.